Corruption in Alabama, I'm shocked that you're shocked. Frank M. Johnson Jr. is rolling in his grave. An Alabama grand jury has recommended the immediate dissolution of the Hanceville Police Department, citing a rampant culture of corruption within the agency. This recommendation comes after a probe into the department's practices, leading to the indictment of 5 officers, including the police chief. Cullman County District Attorney Champ Crocker announced the charges during a press briefing, revealing that the investigation involved the department's evidence room and the death of dispatcher Christopher Michael Willingham. Willingham, 49, was found dead at work from a toxic drug combination in August 2024. Authorities have not charged anyone in connection to his death, but they have linked it to the department's negligence, poor procedures, and disregard for safety. The grand jury concluded that the department's failure to properly secure and maintain evidence rendered it unusable and compromised crime victims. The investigation also found that Willingham had access to the evidence room, which was not secured. Crocker suggested that this could have contributed to the dispatcher's exposure to fentanyl and other drugs found in the room. An autopsy confirmed that Willingham's death was accidental, caused by a mix of drugs including fentanyl. The 5 officers indicted are Hanceville Police Chief Jason Shane Marlin, Officers Cody Allen Kelso, Jason Scott Wilbanks, William Andrew Shellnut, and Reserve Officer Eric Michael Kelso, along with Eric's wife, Donna Reed Kelso. The charges include tampering with evidence, computer tampering, drug distribution, and conspiracy to distribute controlled substances. Most of the charges are felonies, except for the misdemeanor charge of tampering with evidence. The grand jury's report also called the department a particular and ongoing threat to public safety, likening it to a criminal enterprise. The jury recommended the police department be immediately abolished and replaced with another law enforcement agency to protect Hanceville's approximately 3,000 residents. Cullman County Sheriff Matt Gentry emphasized that while his office hasn't formally been asked to take over, they are preparing to step in if needed. Hanceville Mayor Jim Sawyer expressed regret over the situation, stating the city would work swiftly and transparently to address the issues, acknowledging the damage done to the community's reputation and the impact on city employees.